am back again. Ngayon, mukbang tayo, guys. Walang magawa sa buhay. Ay, you know what? Ito yung niluto ko kanina lang. O, anong sa inyo? Diba? Nag-rush pa akong naligo para sa inyo. Guys, para naman late. Hindi late yung kainan natin. And before I forget, greetings from me from Hong Kong. Greetings to all of you all over the world, especially to my place, Nueva Vizcaya, all the Nueva Vizcayanos and Vizcayanas. How are you today? Alam kong umuulan dyan. The weather in Hong Kong is too yucky. But it's good also. It's cooling down the earth, right? Kailangan ang rain also some other time, diba? And my dad's waiting for the rain kasi ang dad ko is a farmer. He loves farming. Yes, guys. Now, I'm going to show you my dinner. O, parang true ha. I'm going to eat one lang naman. Parang gusto kong kumain nito kasi I bought this one. Parang gusto kong kumain to. I bought this one yesterday. Pero tinamad ako nagluto kaninang lunch. Ngayon ako magluto. Parang gusto ko, tinitingnan ko lang pero okay na. Okay, I'm going to, sorry, nakalimutan. At kamutak ko mga rod pero naya naman ako sa inyo. I'm supposed to get my knife na pero I'm going to hold everything. Para naman mas social kumain pag hinahawakan, guys. Diba? Nagtutubig na ako, guys. Kasi I think I'm hungry. Diba? Ba't wala akong ano ngayon? Ay, nako. Anong oras na ba? Oh my God. Diba? Diba? Okay. Good evening, everyone. Okay. I'm going to show you my food. Hi, Sus Critican! Thank you. You love my dinner. How I wish to serve you this one. Yeah, it's very late. Mommy is very lazy. I'm just lying down around 7 to 8 o'clock. Parang tinamad ako, you know. Oh, wow. Yes, yes. Hello, Dada, Tata. How are you? Shout out to everybody there in Yaotong. And also shout out to Mrs. Critican in Taiwan. I miss you, girl. And your friend and family there and your co-teacher. Hello everyone there. Okay, I'm going to show you my food. Let's drink to it. I'm so thirsty now kasi alam nyo na, naligo na ako, drinay ko ng buhok ko. Yan, rush lang ran. I know your dinner is done. Pero ngayon, enjoy nice bonding. Yes. Sino na? Yes. Done na yung mga dinner nyo. So, I'm going to show you this one. A lamb rack. I marinated this one 3 hours ago with olive oil and steak use marination. And this is salad, apples. Ito is meat jelly. Sweet potato ang rice ko ngayon, guys. Sunog pa. Guys, ito din. It's nice. Hawakan ko na lang, guys. Malinis naman tong kamay ko. And anyway, I'm the one eating those. So it's okay. Ito ang pinaka-rice ko, guys. Sweet potato. You can just stick all in the oven or just pan fry with butter or just do is boil. It's fine. Anything you can do to make it more healthy living. Okay, guys. Sweet potato. And you can also cook potato. And this one is capsicum gar. You can just eat it raw. But because your Lala is getting old, younger every day, hindi na pwede. Kaya medyo pinan-fry ko lang, guys, with butter. Not bad. A little bit butter lang. Alam mo na, ang sarap pa rin. It's still crunchy, guys. Look. It's still crunchy. You can taste the garlic. Because I love garlic, ginger, curry. Diba? Just eat also, guys. Kahit man lang merienda para naman tayo Gusto ko sanang gaganon-ganon, pero I'm Pinoy, so it's okay, right? This is celery stock. Salad. This is salad, guys. Green one. This one. It's nice to eat like this. Parang yung kumakain ka rin ng Korean food. It's nice also to eat it that way. So, yun. Yung takaw-takaw ko na. I've been eating this all the time. That's why. Kain na rin kayo. Still fresh. I bought this one 3 days ago. Very fresh talaga. Kasi hindi lang naman ito ang sinasalad ko, guys. I mix some of the romaine lettuce. I don't know what kind of lettuce this one. Very, I don't know what kind of lettuce this one. But it's really fresh. And then, also, celery. Kaya matakaw ako eh. So, try this at home. Oh, Friday na pala bukas. Guys, so quick. Today is June 12. Those who who's having a birthday celebrant today, it's my son's birthday too. Okay, we celebrate last night, but very quiet, guys, because he's on diet. So, kami-kami na lang, guys. It's Kuya's birthday. He's here with me, pero nasa kwarto siya, guys. Yes. Thank you. You love my dinner. This one is the best of all these things, I tell you. This one. I'm going to eat the last for the thing because I know once I eat that one, parang busog ka na. Because every time I go out for dinner, I normally eat vegetable first. Kasi once you eat the meat, you're done. Now he asked me not to buy cake, guys. Yeah, today is his birthday. Yeah. It's Kuya's birthday today. That's why I'm getting old again. For another year. Diba? Yeah. It's Kuya's birthday today. See, Dada, Tata, your alaga is already old. Have you think about it? My God, it's time for you to rest na. Take your belonging na and go. Let's go. Let's go all to the Philippines. Yeah, it's Independence Day. That's why it's easy to remember. And shout out to Lards Pacheco. It's his birthday today. And Marilyn Pakula. It's his birthday. It's her birthday today. So everybody's birthday, those who's having birthday during this Independence Day, happy birthday to all of you all over the Philippines and all over the world na lang para fair enough. So all the friends who's having birthday during these days, happy birthday. More wish, more lucky in this coming year, right? Diba? Ang takaw ko, guys. Ganito ako katakaw. Kaya ka, ulit mo sa ulan. Hinawakan ko na lang itong mga sweet potato ko, guys. Ang sarap din kaya. Yes. I got some more in the air fryer. Para sa mister ko kasi gusto rin niya ako minsan. This one. This is very healthy one, guys. Just eat vegetables, that's it. Because my dinner today is light lang. Nag-light lang ako kanina, tinatamad akong bumangon. Because I've been eating the whole day, these 3 days. And this the 4th days. Hindi ako makakain kaya that's why. Ngayon naman ako kakain. Para diretso na ito na. Including breakfast na to. Right? This is including breakfast. Can you imagine? Keep eating now and this tomorrow morning, no need to eat breakfast. Just, oh my God. But ang takaw ko, guys. That's the main problem. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is good for health also. But don't eat too much. This is still carbohydrates. But it's easy to digest better than rice. Right? Basta pa itong buhok ko, guys. Medyo inanood ko lang kanina. Yeah, the traffic light, yeah. Traffic light, yeah. That's true. See? This is the design. It's really nice. I intend it to do it that way. Ang sexy ka. Very sexy. Right? But now, this is the revelation of this chop chop. I'm going to eat now with meat. Mint sauce. Can I try without meat? Oh my god! Heaven God! It's really, really nice. I forgot the name of the spices that I put. Nakalimutan kong pangalan niya. I'm drying all those spices. They normally sell in the supermarket. Not in Sweet Super also. But you can... Yes! Hi! I'm having dinner. Late dinner, girl. Good evening to you and shout out to Kadin. Kadinex? I cannot even pronounce your name. Something like that, right? I'm having my late dinner. Alam mo na. Ito ang early ko. This time is only 5 o'clock to me. Just join me eating. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Ito, kumakain pa lang ng dinner. Ito. Kaya ako ang taba-taba, guys. But I like this one. I supposed to hold the knife and the fork, pero I'm Pinoy, so it's fine. I'm just trying to eat this one. Miss ko to with chili sauce, pero parang hindi combination. Yung isaw-saw mo sa may suka at vinegar. Oh my god, I love it. But it's nice with mint. Mint jelly. Kain na rin kayo para mabusog like me. See, ang dami kong kinakain, girl. Look at this. Lettuce. May apple na rin, guys. Sweet potato, capsicum, and 3 lamb chops. But I'm sure I'm gonna eat one only. Nakakain naman sa inyo. Dinisplay ko lang. Walang hiya. That's not me, of course. Very soft siya. Na. This is good for barbecue. Kaso nga lang, wala naman akong kasamang mag-barbecue. Sa Pilipinas na lang. Diba? Ang takaw ko kasi. Nakain akong mataba. But it's nice. It's creamy, guys. Enjoy ko to I can't believe I really like it. I normally eat this one only in the eat all you can, guys. Kasi we've been ordering this lamb chop all the time. Eat all you can kaya. Kaso nga lang, kinakain ko after, before na kami nga alis. Kasi I cannot eat those things once. Yung iba, pag kinain ko na ng karne. Kagaya ngayon, pinapapak ko na lang tong mga gulay ko muna. Yes, nagutom kami. Yes, if you look at me, I have an appetite. Kasi matakaw ako, girl. So, those who wants to become fat, watch me all the time. Itong paborito kong job. Eating. And eating cooking and eating. But guys, hope you don't mind my cooking style kasi bara-bara lang yung cooking style ko kasi whatever inside my fridge and in my pantry, okay na ako doon. Hindi naman ako mayaman, guys. Kung ano lang ang available sa pantry in here, okay na ako, guys. Kaya kung ano man nakikita nyo, okay na yun. Parang just like we were in the Philippines. You imagine that, pag nasa bundok tayo, walang bagong, di magpatis na lang, di ba? Ganun yun. But if there's no patis, pwede nang asin. Whatever it's inside the house, pantry, fridge, whatever okay na ako dun. As long as can cook and can eat. Be wise, guys. Be progressive, whatever it is, fine. Kasi nung unang panahon, guys, tell you God, is a secret ba? Hindi. Nung unang panahon, hindi naman lahat tayo ay may K, di ba? Nung unang panahon, I didn't eat this. I didn't eat this too. Kasi walang makain ng ganito. That's why in the Philippines, there's no expiry date. Kasi pag nabili na, mauubos na, guys. Not like in Hong Kong. There's an expiry date kasi nobody's eating. People keep buying and nobody's eating. Am I right, guys? Sa Pilipinas, there's no expiry date, I've been saying. Kasi one day pa lang, kararating pa lang, your mom or whoever went to do some shopping, ubos na, guys. Pinagagawan pa. Pati supot nga ng ice candy, sinisip-sip hanggang sa dulo, hindi pa tanggalin yung, you know, the ice candy is long, right? Long ice candy, right? Pati nga yung supot, hindi tinatanggal, di ba, ginaganon sana. Ngayon na malalaki na tayo, though when we were a kid, hindi mo tatanggalin yun, tapos ibibigay mo pa sa friend mo, di ba? Yeah, experience those. Kaya, there's no expiry date back in the Philippines kasi ubos na ubos. That's true. Di ba share tayo ng ice candy with your friend's schoolmate? Patikim nga on, the supot is still there. You already finished the ice candy like this long, right? This is the whole ice candy. Pag kinain mo yung half ice candy, di ba may supot yan? I tell you frankly, guys, before once we eat ice candy, hindi natin alam iganon, di ba? We don't know how to put and take the ice up. Ganyan talagang sinusop-sop hanggang ice candy, tapos pakainin mo yung friend mo. Di ba ang sarap? Di ba? Pero ngayon, noon, organic as in. Kaya, it's nice and happy when we were a kid, right? Ngayon na, Diyos ko, party-arty ka na, pakutsa-kutsara pang ano. Hindi, kamayin mo na, guys. Di ba masarap ang kinakamay? May ibig ba akong sabihin na masarap ang kinakamay, di ba? Kagaya ko. Iba na naman iniisip nyo yan. Kaya kayo, guys, naparami na naman ang .com. So, I talk a lot again with all my chit-chats, guys. So, hope you enjoy watching my video and hope to see you again. Natapos na tong dinner ko is too much for me in fairness. Parang magkakasakit na ako if I don't do vlogging. Kaya even though it's late, baka gusto ko mag-vlog ng alas 3 ng umaga pero nanaya ako dito sa mga tao sa bahay ko. Kasi gising pa ako ng oras na yun. Alas 3, alas 5, matutulog ako dito, mga alas 4 na ganun. So, I feel like doing vlogging during the morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock because I'm free. But the problem is, baka probably they yell at me, hey, sleep now. That's the job of retirees. Nothing to do, so keep on vlogging. So, this morning, tinatamad-tamad lang. Kaya guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and share. And of course, I need more comments. Please request whatever I want you want to see and to watch. I'll do that if I can. Okay, guys? Okay, there you go. Hope you don't forget to pray out there. Love your family. Love your neighbors. See you later once again. I love you all. See you next vlog. Bye.